Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use Gcash to buy games on Steam. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click your profile name in the top right corner and select account details from the drop-down menu. Click the button labeled plus, add funds to your Steam wallet. Choose Gcash. Cash from the list of available payment methods. Click Continue and check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click Continue to Smart. To pay to begin the transaction. A QR code will appear on your screen. Open the Gcash app on your mobile phone and use the QR scanner to scan the code. Follow the prompts on your phone to complete the payment. Make sure your Gcash account has enough funds and check for any service fees. And that is it. You have just added funds to your Steam wallet using Gcash. Enjoy shopping and happy gaming. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.